It's a Maytag 3000 series electric dryer. It all of a sudden stopped working. I checked the controls, so this comes off. It's all clips, and everything is fine right here. So the other thing that points out, there's a control board that sits right there. So once you lift this lid up, control board is right there. I will this. Okay, once you take the lid off on top, there's three little bolts on top holding the lid. Just take those off and remove it. The control board is right here. But before you do any of this, make sure the power is disconnected. Obviously, take it out of our outlet and wait for a few minutes, then start disconnecting everything. Take a picture of the board before you start unplugging. When you go put it back together, you know where what goes. So we're gonna take this board off completely. There's one bolt on this side over here holding the board down, and it just basically clips and come off. Border. There. The bolt is here somewhere. There's gonna be some dust. Make sure you vacuum all the dust off of it. And once you take it off to the point, just do it by hand, otherwise it's gonna fall down. Pull this way, and it'll pull right out. Once you remove this board, there's these side clips. You would just push down 3 on one side and 3 on the other side to pop the board up and to look behind. As you can see behind the board, if you have a burnt mark, that's where my connection lost the connection from one end to the next, so it burned right there, and there was obviously no connection. Obviously that's where the problem was. So this connection from relay, if you switch to the other side, you have the relay right there. If the relay is obviously bad, you can remove all these and purchase the relay, and then weld everything back together. But in my case, that's where the connection was broken, so I used a small screwdriver and just went around as close as possible and took some of this copper right here connection. So you need to solder this into that line right there to make the connection. Make sure you clean it nicely. Take your time, because you don't want to be scraping everywhere else, breaking other connections. Just go around here slowly and just kind of dig into, make a nice clean connection, clean everything up, and solder everything after that to make that connection. Put everything back together, and if it turns on, good. If not, then try again. Maybe the connection is not as good, and like I said, if everything fails, then get the relay. It's about under $20. I'm gonna let it warm up and go ahead and make a nice connection. You can go a little over, it doesn't need to be as fine like this, but just to cover, put enough. So that little simple fix right there saves the dryer.